guys, today we're off to Hilton Moss for a Porsche Club GB 991 meet. This isn't just a car meet, these guys have seriously rare cars. They do car sales, restoration, servicing and basically everything. I am going to take you behind the scenes to see what it's really like. I don't know what cars will be there, but I know it'll be really good. Let's go. We've just arrived at Hilton Moss and there's some amazing cars outside and we've not even been inside yet. There's such a nice array of 991 Porsches. Let's go take a look. This is such a good lineup. So you've got a 911 Targa 4S, a 911 Carrera S, you've got a 911 Turbo, you've got a 911 Carrera, you've even got another GTS here, and next to that you've got a 911 Carrera S again. Then you have a Targa 4 GTS, then you have here a 911 Carrera S, then you have a 911.1 GT3 RS, then here you have a 911 Carrera S, you got a 911.1 GT3, then here you got another Turbo S, then you got another 911 there, then GT3 here, then another Targa here, then up here you've got another 911 Turbo S, and then in front of that you have a black Targa S, another Turbo S as well. And then next to that is another Targa, and this version is 4 GTS. Then end it on another Targa. I'm loving this Carrera in this beautiful yellow. An absolute imposter, but I love it. The Lamborghini Gallardo and this version in bright orange.
Welcome to Hilton Moss. I hear it's the first outing for the 991 register, so props to Gary and John and David for arranging drive out later as well. So nice to see some new faces. Hilton Moss, we are a classic and performance independent specialist. Our roots go back to 1999. When we were a Lotus and TVR main dealer. So we started with body shop, which you can see through the glass, in 1984. So our director, Peter Hilton, started in his parents' garage in the garden, fixing cars for friends and family. That became people down the pub, friends of friends, and the business grew from there. He moved to premises before landing on this site in 2004. As body shop, so that was the big building behind us, and over the years it's expanded to what you see today. So 2002, this building, showroom and workshops was complete. That brought the showroom on site. It was previously down the road in Stansted as the Lotus and TVR dealer. We remained with a Lotus dealership until 2021, and then alongside that we built the classic car restoration and other vehicles that you see with us today, so Ferrari, Porsche, Aston Martin.
What a start. 3 orange juice, 3 cakes and a free coffee. This is the 2021 Ford GT40 by CAF, and this has got a 5 litre V8, and I just love the rear tyres on this. They are so wide. Look at that. And this has only 1,000 miles. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but look at the V8 in the back. Wow. This is stunning. The Aston Martin V12 Vantage AMR. And this is in sterling green. And some things I want to point out about is there's carbon here, carbon splitter. Round here there's carbon, round there's carbon, carbon over there. But This has a 6-litre V12, and my favourite part about this car is the interior. Look, the seats are so cool. Look at the amount of Lotuses that are in this line. So you've got a red Lotus here, you've got a silver one here, then you've got this really nice green one. But my favourite one out of the 4 is this Lotus Emira GT4. Upstairs are some really rare classics, and we've got this 190 SL. This is £120,000. And next to that is this really nice E-Type Jag, £145,000. Then here we have another E-Type Jag. This one is priced at £300,000. Wow. And next to that we have another Jaguar, and this is £160,000. Another Mercedes, this version, the 300 SL Roadster, and this is POA. That means a lot of money. Next to that, you have this Austin Healey, again, POA, lots of money. Next to that, you have this Jag, and I'm gonna say it again, POA, a lot of money. But through here is this really nice Jaguar D-Type long nose. This is the car storage area, and I bet there are some amazing cars in here. Let's go have a look. Oh my, wow. Wow, I found the car that I've been wanting to see all day. The R8 with performance parts on it. This is priced at 164 grand. That is so nice. Wow. Oh my, this place is like packed. Wow. Next to that, you've got an AMR edition, and it's a V12 Vantage. It just goes down for ages. Another AMR V8 Vantage. There's a really nice Porsche here. I see Lancia Deltas. Wow, there's Lotuses. This place is so cool. This is the Lamborghini Aventador S3, and this one is in repair. And this is one of 600. And the noise these make are so nice. I love the V12 screen. Another rare car, the 1500 Super Porsche. And if you come to the back with me, you can see the engine. This car is mint. Next up is the detailing bay. No. It is a genuine. This is a Porsche 911 Singer. Wow, look at that. This is immaculate. And look at the interior. Beautiful. Look at the engine in the Singer. Wow. Look at the cars that are parked out the back. You've got Ferraris, you've got TVRs, you've got Nobles. So look, there's literally Lotuses, a really nice Mercedes, and that's a V12 Mercedes, another Lotus. Oh, wow, look through here. That is really nice. Mercedes, Jaguar, TVR. Another Jaguar. Ooh, wonder what that is. I'm not sure, but that number plate is brilliant. Here, you've got a Gallardo. Then behind, you've got another Ferrari here. You've got a really cool Jag, a Porsche, another TVR, another Noble, M4CS. What is this? Is it? That is so cool. TVR Segura. Wow, look at that. Then, I think one of my favourite cars was parked in here. Wow, is this Mercedes? But look, it's literally slammed to the floor. It's so long. Wow. Wow, this place is massive. I can't believe how many cars they have. They do everything. They do rebuilds, they do servicing, they do sales. I was blown away how professional they were, and the company is brilliant. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next meet.